Hi everyone, welcome to How Ines Rolls. Today I thought I'd do something a little different and show you a little bit of my afternoon. Doing a day in a life. Plus, I have a special treat. I don't know if it's quite the special treat, but it is for me because I don't go to the store very often and my kids are needing some snacks and treats. So we're going to be heading to Trader Joe's. Right now I'm waiting for Paul to get off work, and I just left CVS Pharmacy to get some lipsticks. Let me know in the comments if you shop drugstore lipsticks. Did you know that if you got the wrong color or doesn't look, if you're not 100% satisfied, they'll totally take it back. So I got a couple of these because we have a girls' night out tomorrow, and I thought I need a new lipstick. So Paul's going to be coming out right now, and then we're going to be heading to Trader Joe's, and I'm so excited. While I'm waiting, I tried on the lipsticks. So this one is okay. The other one I have to take back. Gosh, I had high hopes for that one. But this one's okay. What do you think? So thank goodness CVS has that policy. What would I do? It is so busy here, but we hope to find the good stuff. Best flower assortments here. They're pretty inexpensive. It's so pretty. Like a whole aisle of like granola bars and cereal. Perfect for the kids. They have so many like nuts and dried fruit. And look at that. It has the rinds and everything. So we're close by to Fizz, so we just thought we'd get a soda. That sounds good. What are you gonna get?
Strawberry shortcake.
Yeah, that's a good one. I'll just probably get Diet Dr. Pepper. I'll be boring.
Have a great day.
Yum. So our sodas will go great with dinner, which right now I'm feeling a little bit nervous about since I put my oldest son in charge of it, and I went shopping at Trader Joe's. So I'll show you what we got. We got some really good stuff, and I'll show you what dinner's looking like. My house is smelling all kinds of good right now, so I need to quickly show you our Trader Joe's haul, and I'll show you what we're having for dinner too. So I'm just gonna unload the bags and show you what I got, but I got some good stuff, and if you're expecting it to be a healthy haul, it is not. I went specifically with getting snacks and just a couple of items to kind of get us through the next week or so, but mostly snacks. I have 4 boys and they get hungry a lot. So these are gonna be some of those things that are gonna help, you know, ease into the different meals over the weekend, those kinds of things. So let's open up bag number 1. I got some peanut butter pretzels. I know that some of the kids really like that. And their store brand version of Doritos, which these are pretty good. I've had them before. Then the snacks, the treats. So this is chocolate babka. This is one of my favorite things. So I will put this probably in the back freezer. Just get a slice here and there. It is delicious. It is a little more expensive. They're like $5. But look at those layers and all that chocolate. So good. So we also got some more treats. Things I'm hoping we can just put in the freezer and get whenever in the next week. But Brookies, if you've never had a Brookie, it is delicious. Chocolate chips and brownies. Can't go wrong with that. Paul saw this and wanted to try it. Banana cake with frosting. And what's really neat about these is they're not huge. It's not like going to Costco. It's not getting big size portions. It's gonna be enough to just satisfy. So we're gonna get these, our little mini chocolate chip cookies. They're real crispy, so we're gonna put those in little baggies for lunches. That will be good. Now, I'm not one who buys, you probably notice in my hauls, I don't buy a lot of granola bars, and I don't hardly ever buy any fruit snacks. just because I tend to make a lot of granola bars myself. So for me to buy them is pretty rare, but I did. I got chocolate oat bars because these are so soft, so delicious. And then these chocolate covered ones, very special. I'll put these up in the pantry, kind of hide them a little bit, and then just kind of give them out one a day or something like that. This will make a wonderful dinner when we have breakfast for dinner. These coconut pancakes are delicious. Had them before. Ezra, I got him some more of these apple sauces, and I thought apple mango sounded great. We got these for Paul, these like little trail mixes. They're already in small packages, so he could just take them for work. And I got some bagels because I think I've been feeling like I needed some. Come on, right? And my favorite way to eat bagels is with some cream cheese, tomatoes, and lemon pepper. So if you haven't had that combination, it is delicious. And I have a son who loves pita chips. So I'm hoping that he can get a couple of lunches out of this. This is a smaller bag, you can see. I just have giant hands too, so. So hopefully a couple of lunches out of this, or at least a couple of snacks. Okay, so now here's part of my bread part. So I got this rustic bread that looks kind of like Cheesecake Factory, am I right? It's got the oats on top. I can't wait to try it. And then I got some organic white bread. So we use a lot of bread because the boys make a lot of sandwiches, even before and after school. So I thought these would be good to have in the freezer. And I got a couple of these little these are just ciabatta breads. I thought we could cut those up to either make sandwiches, like a long hoagie type sandwich, or cut them open, toast them up for a meal. When we're having maybe some pasta or, you know, some bread, and we need like a little, not like some barbecue meat, and then needed some bread. They have this organic flour tortillas. These are so good. And so right now Ezra is on a quesadilla kick, which I'm happy about. So these are really good. I tend to be a little particular about being able to taste preservatives in regular flour tortillas. I know I probably don't, but I feel they taste weird. So these are super good. I got this seasoning. Let me know in the comments if you've used them. I love everything bagels. The reason I got plain ones was because I have to share those, but if it's just mine, it's an everything bagel. I got another can of tuna because I'm on a tuna kick right now. And I got a couple of these yummy cookies, or they look yummy. They're like a protein cookie. So my husband says one of the guys at work really likes them. So we're gonna try them. And they sell them by the box or the case. So let me know in the comments if you've tried some of these protein cookies. At our local store, they sell them, like the convenience store. They're like all these different flavors too. So I can't wait to try. And I hope I like them. I can just get those at the store. Got more bananas. Now I need to unload another bag. I picked up some more turkey for sandwiches for whenever this week, next week. I did buy some mozzarella sticks. My second son wanted the mac and cheese balls. I didn't find them. They're one of our favorites. We do like the mac and cheese balls, especially those little round crispy coated. This will just have to do mozzarella sticks. I bought 2 bags of this. I've never had this before, so this will be a first time for us. This fettuccine alfredo with chicken, the grilled chicken, and I got 2 of them. So that'll make a quick meal during the week when I'm working. I'm excited to try it. I also bought some baby spinach because I'm going to make a salad. So, and I'll show you, I have other parts to it. I also bought the famous Pirate's Booty. So I have a story to tell you guys. When we used to live really close to a Trader Joe's when we were first having kids and they were in preschool, and it was like walking distance. And one time we were there, my oldest son used to have the cutest little glasses and had this little blonde hair. It was such a cutie, still is. But we were checking out, and the lady behind the counter is like, can I get their picture? And I'm like, who are you? Well, she was one of the ladies, the local artists that did all of the signs, and she made this sign. Isn't it so cute? So we had them stand in front of their picture, and they were like little models for it. It turned out adorable, and what a great memory. So we love Trader Joe's, always have. These are one of my kids' favorites as well. They're just little pizzas and really good. So I'm almost done with the haul part. I got roasted potatoes. Paul really likes these. They have peppers and I believe onions. Yes. So he will love those. Look at these. Oh my gosh. If you know me, I crave pretzels and cheese. And these are the huge ones. So I am loving this. I hope I love it. And I even have some nacho cheese in the pantry. So excited. Okay, so we saw this and I totally thought this was a Paul dish. Look at that. Steak and stout pies. Those look delicious. That looks like something Paul would love. So I got those for his lunches if he needed it. I also got some chicken tamales. Love tamales. When I was a girl, my dad's side of the family, around Christmas, they would have like an assembly line. Loved it. Some strawberries. Now that will go on the spinach salad. I got some corn chips. That's easy peasy. These are my favorite my favorite yogurts, the lemon ones. And then I also got some smaller ones, just some banana and strawberries. Plus, I did end up getting some flowers. Just a little bunch, and I'll show you what I do with them in a little while, but it's just something nice for the kitchen. I love it. So let me show you what we're having for dinner. So tonight we are having some chicken parm bake. I will link the recipe, the video to the recipe that I've done before. It is so easy and delicious. And we're just having a little bit of garlic bread. Look, I gave Isaiah instructions to bake it and he did a great job. And we're also gonna have a salad. I think everybody's really hungry, so I need to hurry. So I just put the flowers in the little pitcher there. They are looking so cute. Don't mind this area over there to the right. We are still in cleaning mode. So that's kind of what I do in the evening, is try to do a little bit of straightening up. Not like a major house clean or anything, but just a little bit. So that's pretty much it, you guys. I do lots of things around the house most of the day, and then I didn't film where I was working, but this week is a carpool week. So carpool weeks tend to be pretty busy in the afternoons. So I'm really glad that I got to show you a little glimpse into my day. And wasn't it so fun to go to Trader Joe's? You should let me know in the comments what items that I picked out you would try. So I'm so glad that you're part of my journey of YouTube. I'm grateful for all of you. I wish you a good evening and stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next.